ICT functional skills, wildcards and Boolean operators. Topics you need to know. You need to know what is a wildcard, what is a Boolean operator. You need to know about these regarding internet searches, as well as database searches, specifically queries. So what is a wildcard? Wildcards allow you to search for unknown elements, for example within a library database, where they replace the unknown element. And the main wildcards are the question mark, the hash, the star, and a percentage symbol. What is a Boolean operator? Boolean operators help you narrow your search results, and the main Boolean operators are the AND, sometimes represented by the plus, the NOT, sometimes represented by the minus, OR, and a quotes, which is for a phrase search. Now we're going to look at some internet searches using Boolean operators and wildcards. Now we're going to use my startup name mainly because it is online, but it's not massively known, so I wouldn't necessarily expect the search result to be at the top, especially for all my things including the social media, blog pages and certain elements that I use. Now the notes for these will be the end of my tutorial as normal, so if you want to revisit them and look at them in text you can do there. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to search for TK Digital Services without using any wildcards or Boolean operators. And you can see I get 49 million results, because each element potentially is being searched individually. And as the results go down you'll see this will include this word and doesn't necessarily include services and so forth. And the best way of doing that is saying we want to search these words together, and we can use quotes to search that as a phrase. Now if I now do a search, I'm down to 277 results. Now I can't help the fact that an ad's come up at the top, but I can now see my website, my Twitter page, my Facebook, my LinkedIn profile, and also my YouTube content, as well as some images related to me as well. So that's really made my results far more accurate than they were previously, searching those elements together. What if I wanted to include another word as well, so only to bring results that also include, say, the word blog, to find my blog? We can use plus or the AND to do this. Now, for one reason or another, it didn't find an exact result first, partly because my blog page may not have the metadata TK Digital Services. So it certainly couldn't find that, but separately, it has actually brought up as a first result my blog website page, and then my website, and then some results not related to me. But the top result was the blog that I was after. What if I didn't want to include a certain thing? So say I wasn't a big fan of Twitter for any reason, so I didn't want to bring up the TK Digital Services Twitter page. So in this case it's brought up my Facebook, my YouTube, my LinkedIn profile and some images related to me, and even a Friday ad. But it hasn't found my Twitter page, which I was after. So that's one way to do an exact search, a search plus another term, and a search minus another term. And that's just a start of things to think about. The slides at the end of the tutorial add a few other things to it as well. Database searches. Searching a question mark and Catherine will allow you to find Catherine with a C and Catherine with a K, replacing just a letter. Searching BIL percentage sign will allow you to find Bill or Billy, allowing for any number of letters. Searching for 199 hash will allow you to look for the years between 1990 and 1999, as it's just replaced a number. Practice task. Use some internet wildcards to find ICT functional skills level 2 sample papers. Then, separately, use a search engine's advanced search features to find some information about your course. The available options of fields are providing a more user-friendly option to what we've looked at.